When a butterfly flaps its wings, it's only the beginning. That little movement could lead to a tornado thousands of miles away. A tiny effort that moves mountains. It's a bit like the feeling I have when I step into the cabin of my Hyundai wheel loader. As I relax into the seat, I enter a world where almost anything is possible.
Everything we do starts with a desire. It could be a wish for more power and efficiency, better comfort, or easier maintenance. The Hyundai R&D Centre listens above all to machine operators, to their challenges, experiences, and ideas. They provide the initial inspiration for every part and every machine. Our job is to make their dreams come true. No detail is too small. Our manufacturing teams use the latest equipment, the most efficient processes, and advanced factory automation to ensure precise, consistent results. When it comes to quality, there is no room for compromise. At the Hyundai Reliability Assessment Centre, every new product is subjected to hundreds of individual tests, each one designed to make sure we meet the most important criteria of all, the needs of our customers. Our efforts don't stop when the machine leaves the factory. Hyundai construction equipment customers know they can depend on fast, flawless distribution anywhere in the world. Our dealer coverage is global, but by listening to specific needs, we keep building strong local networks and relationships. Individual relationships are at the heart of our after-sales services as well. The Hyundai Academy equips our service employees with the technical knowledge they need to give each customer tailored advice and assistance. From swift, efficient communication to smooth, accurate processes in the parts warehouse, we leave nothing to chance. Our priority is to make sure our customers have what they need when they need it. This is how small efforts lead to great things, like international acclaim for our HX excavator series, like a prestigious Red Dot Design Award, and like a product line that expands to meet growing demands for efficiency, productivity, safety, durability, and convenience. And this is how little details create a business that excels in the fields of development, quality, sales, and services. A company on track to achieve our goal of being in the global top 5 by 2023.
It's the attention to detail that makes the difference. An exterior that's built for the long haul. A comfortable interior with intuitive controls. Immense power delivered right where and when I need it. It's as if the machine becomes an extension of me. In this cabin, every input has untold potential, and the smallest effort can create unimaginable results. This is what I call the Hyundai effect.